Okay, hi everyone. So today's topic is how to write the four counter number for any element. So before watching this video, so I think it's better you just see the previous video. What are four counter numbers? And you have in three rules. Okay, and how to write the electronic configuration. And you have in three rules: Pauli exclusive principle, Hunt's rule, Abbo principle. ఓకే సో దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఈ వీడియో చూడకముందు ఆ వీడియోస్ చూస్తే బెటర్. సో ఇవి ఇఫ్ యు నో అంటే మీకు అవన్నీ వస్తే అవసరం లేదు. సో దేర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ బిఫోర్ నోయింగ్ హౌ టు రైట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్, సారీ బిఫోర్ రైటింగ్ ద కౌంటర్ నంబర్స్. సో కౌంటర్ నంబర్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉంటాయి. ప్రిన్సిపల్ కౌంటర్ నంబర్, యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం కౌంటర్ నంబర్, మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ కౌంటర్ నంబర్, and then is spin counter number. So you should know what are the values. So spin counter number has only two values, plus half, minus half. Suppose it is on first electron, we have to write plus half. If it is on second electron, we have to write minus half. It is simple. That is simple IPN. Okay. And so whenever any element is given, so if element or orbital is given, if suppose we have an element like hydrogen 1s1, so you should write the electronic configuration, or sometimes he will be giving the orbitals like 3p5. So here, so from this orbital you will be going to get n and l value. N and see this is n value and this is l value. Here also we have an n and l value and number of electrons in the p orbital. So if you know n and l value, then we can know the ml values. Suppose we have if we have an n value, so n value is 1. Okay, we'll just start from the first. So if ఇప్పుడైతే మనకు n value 1 ఉందనుకో, so ఇప్పుడు l value, definitely you have l values are nothing but 0 to n minus 1. So l value will be 0. Whenever n value is 2, l values will be 0 and 1. Whenever n value is 3, n values will be 0, 1, 2. Whenever n value is 4, l values will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you combine, we're going to get the orbitals like 1 and 0. It will make 1s. 2 and 0 will make 2s. 2 and 1p will become 2p. This is 3s, 3p, 3d. This is 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. అంటే ఇప్పుడు సెల్ సబ్ సెల్ రెండు కలిపితే ఇట్లా ఆర్బిటాల్స్ నేమ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, 1 0 1s, 2 0 2s, 2 1 2p. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ రాస్తే, whenever if you know the electronic configuration, you can predict the L and M values, N and L values. So what about ML values? So as we know, ML values are from minus L to plus L including 0. Okay, so if n value is 1, L value is 0, this value will be 0 ఉంటుంది. సో ఇది L value 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది కూడా 0. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా L value 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది 0, this is also 0. But when L value is 1, so ML values will be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Okay, so if n value is 1, here also value will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. If n value is 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So here the ML values will be minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు 3p5 ఉంది. సో 3p5 మనం ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ రాయాలి. సో 3. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రైట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ఫోర్ కౌంటర్ నంబర్స్ 3p5. సో వాట్ ఈస్ n value? 3. L value p. So S key 0, P key 1, D key 2, F key 3. So P means 1. What about n values? So when n value is 3, L value is 1. So 3p. So 3p orbitals has how many n values? So total n values ఉంటాయి. So here what is the possibility to get the ML values? minus 1, 0 or plus 3. So you just better just draw the 3p orbital. So in 3p orbital, as per the Hund's rule, we have 5 electrons. So we will be filling the 5 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to find the quantum number, 4 quantum numbers for 3p5 అంటే 3p fifth electron అంటే we have to find the 4 quantum numbers for this electron. So this electron is present in which cell? See, first one -1 0 1. So this is present in second one, so its ml value will be 0. And what about ms value? As I told you, if it is clockwise we have to write plus half, when it is an anti-clockwise we have to write minus half. So this value will be minus half. These are the 4 quantum numbers for 3p5. So if you take some other example like 2p5 or some other, okay, so I will be explaining the same example, 4 quantum numbers for some other orbital. Okay, we'll take the 3d4. Okay, so n value is 3, and what about L value? So whenever n value is 3, L value cannot be D's. Okay, L value D indicates 2. Next, in 3D, so d orbital, so d orbitals has 5. So d లో ఎన్ని orbitals ఉంటాయి? Total 5 orbitals ఉంటాయి. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So here we have 4 electrons. So this is a 3d orbital. So 3d orbitals, so whenever the 3d orbitals has values 0 -1 -2 +1 +2. So we have to write the quantum numbers for this 4th electron. So this electron, so where ml value will be +1 and ms value ఇది upward direction కాబట్టి plus half. Okay, so n value is 3, L value is 2, ml value is +1 and ms value is, suppose we have an orbital 3d8. So same, n value will be 3 and L value will be 2, 8 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now we have to find the electronic 4 quantum numbers for this electrons. So this electrons is present in 3d orbitals of 0. So here ml value will be 0 and ms value will be, because it is in downward, so minus half. So this is a way how can we write the 4 quantum numbers for any orbital or any electronic or for any element. Suppose instead of giving orbitals he may give you element. Suppose element will take chlorine. Okay, we'll take a small one, carbon atomic number 6. You just write the electronic config 1s2 2s2 2p2. So now we have to find the 4 quantum number for 2p2 electron. So here n value is 2, L value is p is 1. So whenever n value is 2, p value is 1. So we have 3 orbitals. In p we have 3 sub. Okay, the total number of, you can say total number of orbitals in p sub cell is 3, p minus half 0 1. So we have 2 electrons, 1 2. So second electron is present in 0 orbital, so ml value is 0 and ms value, it is in clockwise, so plus half. Suppose we have here 5. So this is for the fluorine whose atomic number is 9. So same, we have an n value 2, L value 1. So 5 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth electron is present in 0. So their ml value will be 0, but ms value will be minus half. See here, so you can see also Pauli exclusive rule. As per the Pauli exclusive rule, 2 electrons can have they cannot have same 4 quantum numbers. At least they will differ in spin. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, n value 2 ఉంది, L value 1 ఉంది, ml value కూడా 0 ఉంది, కానీ ms values are different. Okay, this is the Pauli exclusive rule. You try to find the 4 quantum numbers for some other orbitals like 4f10 or 3d3, 2p5 or some elements like chlorine, sodium, argon, okay, or you can say calcium. Okay, you try to find the 4 quantum numbers for some other elements. You try.